So side note, this video that you're watching right now, I actually edited with CapCut. So this one gonna be a little bit different, y'all. At Side Riches Unlimited, we usually talk about side hustles and ways to make money and things like that. But I created this channel with the purpose of helping people. So that's just what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna help all my content creators and anybody who's using CapCut and they woke up and experienced the same thing that I experienced of not being able to look at your videos, upload them or anything like that. I wake up this morning to edit one of my videos from last night and I see that CapCut has been banned with TikTok. So I'm going on there and I'm looking. I can see my videos in the background, but it won't let me access it. So I get online and I look around and I see what's going on. So I see that CapCut has been banned with TikTok in the US. I do a little bit of thinking like, oh, it's banned in the US. So if y'all panicked, I panic because you're about to lose all your edits, all that stuff like that. You're not gonna be able to upload no more videos to YouTube or whatnot. Don't worry about it. I got a simple trick that's gonna fix it. I don't know how long it's gonna be valid for. So if you see in this video, go ahead and get on top of it right now so you can save your videos or do whatever it is you need to do, upload them last ones or whatever it is that you need to do. We're gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go to your app store or whatever type of store that you got to download these apps. You're gonna go to Winscribe VPN. What this is gonna do is gonna allow you to be able to access your CapCut. I don't know how long it's gonna last. So if I was y'all, I would get on top of it and do it like right now. So you go on there, it's free. They give you 10 free gigabytes. All you gotta do is input your email. They're gonna send you a email over. You're gonna confirm that you got the email. So CapCut and TikTok is banned in the US. So any of these VPNs that you're gonna use, it's not gonna be in the US. So go ahead and find you one of these VPNs that's outside of the US. Access it, go ahead and go on your phone or whatever device that you're using, start running that VPN, and you're gonna go right over to CapCut, and it's gonna work perfectly. Like I said, this may be a temporary fix because I don't know what's going on with it, but this is what I had to do in order to get my videos and to not lose all the content that I was getting ready to upload. So you can find some type of plan of how you're gonna export these videos from off of CapCut, or if you're gonna just hurry up and upload them or whatever it is you wanna do. Go ahead and get it done now though, because I cannot guarantee you how long this is gonna actually work for. Also, if you found any of this information useful, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you can help that YouTube algorithm push this video out to all the content creators or anybody else who is experiencing this problem right now so they can get it fixed and they can save their content and we can keep on going, y'all. Let's go.